Hi, it's Mel with the Quilting Room with Mel, and I am back with another vintage sewing machine video. This one is by viewer request. Today we are going to be oiling the Necchi Supernova Julia. This machine has become quite popular on my YouTube channel, and I've gotten a lot of requests for more things that you can do with it, and one of them is, how do you oil it? Because oiling is very important with these vintage machines. We've got to take care of them. So I'm going to go through all the oil ports, every place that you put oil, and show you how to get that part done. Okay, the first place we're going to start is on top of the machine. We have 3 places to oil here. 2 are in the cam area, and one of them is over here. So we'll start with the cam area. It's just 1 drop of oil right here, and 1 drop of oil over here. Okay, and then we go to the hole here, and the book recommends 12 drops. I kind of have air bubbles in my zoom tube, so I can kind of count. There we go. Okay, the next place we're going to oil is behind this cover. We're going to open that up. And the book actually says, after opening the faceplate, let fall 1 drop of oil in each point of friction. So that just means any place 2 pieces of metal come together. So we have a lot of those. We're going to put a drop of oil here. 1 here. 1 here. We have 1 back behind here. Let the camera get in there so you can see where I'm at. Okay. We have up here. Way up in here behind the right here. And they actually suggest to put 1 right on top. Okay. And now we're going to go to the bottom of the machine. The next place we need to oil is under here. There is a black lever down here. With the camera, you can't see it real well because it's black in the dark hole. But there's a black lever there that we push up, and then our needle plate pops off. Okay. And there is 1 hole right here that we need to put a drop of oil in. Okay. And now we're going to tip the machine over and film and show you where to oil under there. Okay, we're looking at the bottom of the machine, and I did take my machine out of the cabinet. You do not have to do that to oil it. I did it because it's easier to film it. You can see the parts that I'm working on a lot better out of the cabinet. So again, we are looking for points of friction, points where metal rubs metal. We have 1 right here, and I am not going to oil a lot down here because I just did this not too long ago. 1 there. We need a drop of oil here. Okay. We have this up here that needs oil on either side. Down here. Back here. Okay. We have this side that needs it. There's actually an oil port up here that we have to push into and put a couple of drops of oil in there, but you have to push down with your nozzle to get the oil in. We have 1 more down here that I missed. Right in there. needs oil. We have this part up here. It needs oil on that bar. We need oil back here on this part as well. We have one up here that needs oil. We have the shaft here that needs oil. And down here. We need to oil this bar as well. And up here. The other thing you need to do is once a year, you need to oil your motor. Just 1 or 2 drops in either side of the motor for that. The other thing that a lot of people forget to oil is their shuttle race over here. To do that, you take it out. And I'm not going to pop it out right now. But you take it out and you use a rag that has been soaked in oil and you wipe it off before you put it back in. And that's all you have to do. Make sure that the oil is only on the rim of the shuttle and not on the inside, because then you get oil on your thread and nobody wants oily thread in their sewing project. That's it for today. Remember, if you have any questions about any of the machines that you have seen here on YouTube, feel free to get a hold of me. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Until next time, bye everyone.